we will discuss the leftover portion of adoption under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. So, Section 13 provides right of adoptive parents to dispose of their property. So, regarding that, we will deal two different acts: Transfer of Property Act 1882 and Indian Succession Act 1925. So, the adopting or adoptive parents have the right to dispose their property through transfer under Transfer of Property Act 1882 and also under an will through Indian Succession Act 1925 if there is no express agreement between the adopted child and the adopted parents into the effect not to dispose any such property belong to the adoptive parents. And regarding section 14, which deals with determination of adoptive parents, so following rules to be followed while determining the adoptive father or adoptive mother. So these rules are: number one, living wife of adoptive father shall be deemed to be adoptive mother. And the second rule, where the adoptive father has more than one wife, the senior most in marriage among them shall be adoptive mother and the others to be stepmother. And rule 3 provides where widow or a bachelor adopts a child, any wife subsequently married shall be stepmother of the adopted child. And rule 4 provides where a widow or an unmarried woman adopts a child, any husband subsequently married shall be considered as stepfather of that adopted child. And section 15 provides annulling an adoption. So, under section 15, adoptive father or adoptive mother or any other person, even the adopted child, cannot revoke or renounce the adoption if it is validly made. However, an adopted child is free to give or to modify his or her rights in the properties and inheritance in the adoptive family. And section 16 provides regarding the presumption on adopting or adoption on the basis of certain documents. So, presumption of any registered document on adoption shall comply the following conditions. And among those conditions, condition number 1, there must be a document, and condition 2, it must be registered as per the Indian Registration Act 1908. So also the third condition, it must be regarding and relating to adoption of that child And the fourth condition, it must bear the signature of both the giver and the taker relating to adoption of that child. And the last are the fifth conditions, that is, it must be produced before the court. So these documents and these conditions as provided under section 16 will make presumption regarding adoption of the child, whether male or female, by the adopting father or mother. So, in our upcoming next video, we would like to discuss regarding maintenance as provided under the Act of 1956.